Pinalaya na ng New People's Army ang isang opisyal ng pulisya at isang sundalo na kinidnap ng mga rebelde sa Davao City. Ito ay makaraan ang mahigit isang buwang pagbihag sa mga biktima. Ang ulat na ito mula kay Vicky de Guzman ng PTV Davao.
Naabutan namin ang mismong paglapag ng helicopter sa Davao City Regional Headquarters ng Philippine National Police na sakay si Police Officer Juan Ruel Pasion ng San Isidro Police na siyang isa sa mga prisoners of war ng New People's Army sa loob ng 35 araw. Agad namang tinugunan ang pangkalusugang pangangailangan niya pagdating ito sa Davao City. Voluntaryo namang kinuha mula sa isang baryo sa Laak, Compostela Valley Province ni Davao City Vice Mayor Rudy Duterte, sina Police Officer Juan Ruel Pasion at Private First Class Jezreel Colango ng 60th Infantry Battalion at inihatid ang mga ito sa kanilang mga headquarters. Ayon kay Superintendent Alden Delvo, mahalaga sa ngayon na makapiling ng mga biktima ang kanilang mga mahal sa buhay.
That was not an appeal, it was an indignation rally telling them to release. We were not appealing for them to release them, the captives, but telling them to release the captives. He will be with the medical team, with the Philippine National Police medical team for physical exams, mental and physical examinations, and for a post-traumatic stress debriefing. No, even I have not talked to him because for now it will be the medical team first. And also, what is most important is for him to reunite with his family.
Sinasabing sa araw ng pagkakadukot ng mga ito noong Enero 17 nitong taon, si Colango ay off-duty samantalang si Pasion naman ay papunta pa lamang sa kanyang opisina.
In the first place, he should have been released a long time ago. And also in the first place, he should not have been abducted because they were not combatants when they were accosted. They were even in civilian clothes. One was going home and one was going workplace.
Matatandaang noong nakaraang linggo ay nagkaroon ng isang human rights advocacy rally sa Davao City para iparating ang panawagang palayain na ang mga bihag. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Vicky de Guzman.